Hey everybody, my name is Lowell and welcome to the channel. So we have a sponsored song. Thank you very much, Joe, for this one. This is going to be Tori Holub with Scarborough Fair and Canticle. So let's jump in. Let's have a look at this one. The old Scarborough Fair. That's an old song.
Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to one who lives there. She once was a true love of mine. Tell her to make me a cambric in a deep forest. Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Without no seams, no needlework, then she'll be a true love of mine. Of the clarion call. Tell her to find me an acre of land, sprinkling of parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Between the salt water and the sea strand, then she'll be a true love of mine. Tell her to reap it with a sickle of laser, scarlet, parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme, and gather it all in a bunch of herbs. That she'll be a true love of mine. Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to one who lives there. She once was a true love of mine.
Oh, that was very good. That was very good. Very, very good. Her voice in that was fantastic. Obviously made famous by Simon Garfunkel, but very old English song, that one, Scarborough Fair. Great. Man, her voice is very, very good. Very good. It's been a while since we've had Tori on the channel. Joe, thank you very much again for sponsoring this video too. I didn't realize she actually had a bit of an audience there too with the silent disco going on. Everybody's got their own headphones. So that was excellent. That was excellent. The tone of her voice in that was fantastic. Fantastic. So backed up there by the band. So well done them as well. So Joe, thank you very much again for sponsoring this video. Remember, if you want to sponsor your own, all that information is down in the description too, guys. Thank you very much for joining us today. Make sure you stay safe, and I'll definitely see you in the next reaction video. Oh, you're still here? You want more content? Why don't you check out my Patreon down here? You'll get plenty more content and some exclusive videos over there too. If not, why not check out this one over here?